Hello and welcome to my channel. Some people ask me, is it possible that you translate your videos, especially the information video, not the drone video? And I found now over YouTube a way that all what I speak in German can translate in all languages, also in English and Thai, all of them. That it's when I speak German, come then in your language. And I want to show you now what you have to do in your YouTube. Okay, we go to the computer and we have a look. So I take now my movie over how much money you need when you stay here as pension people in Thailand and you have a girlfriend. So when you go to the bottom, you have here this symbol. You go Untertitel in German. We take here a very popular movie. I explained something over how much money you need in Thailand. We go here to this symbol. Then subtitle, in your case here is in German Undertitel. We go here and then you can see all languages in the world. You have here in English and you see directly it's translated in English. So, and I show you, you can do this also in Thai and you can see what I speak. I hope it's a good idea for you to understand what I speak. Okay, see you the next time. Bye.